Hey everybody, it's None of My Philippine Dreams, and we are in the city of Smiles, Bacolod, and we're just going to take a look at my accommodations while I'm here. And no, it's not the Bacolod City Police Office, nor is it the city jail, which is right over there. Actually, it's this structure here, looking a little battered, a little weather-borne, the Luxor Place Hotel. So let's take a look. Oh, and if you're worried about security, there's like police there all the time. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, the Luxor isn't exactly a new hotel, but they've been doing a lot of renovations on it. Outside, you got a few ATMs because you just might need it. There's also a 7-Eleven over there and a Chinese seafood restaurant right around the corner. And there's also a little parking is right over there. That's where our car is parked. And there's some people coming in right now. This is the foyer. It's very nice. It's very foyer-y. And as you can see right there, there's actually a big, huge BPO. This is a call center for Expedia.com. This is Teleperformance. And there's about 500 employees there. This is the, hello. This is the very nice staff. Very nice and accommodating staff. There's a little dining area right here. During the day, you see bigwigs from the police, the PNP, having lunch here. They have elevators. They got Wi-Fi in the lobby. They have Wi-Fi in the rooms too, but it's not that great. I've actually had to, more often than not, switch to my phone data and then create a hotspot, because the phone just has the room Wi-Fi just hasn't been dependable. Now you get a little area out here. This is the designated smoking area. Oh, look at the smoker over here. Hello, smoker.
I'm not a smoker.
So what do you think of Luxor?
It's good, of course.
It's good, of course. I used to work here. And I had no idea she worked here when I booked it. This is the smoking area, and a lot of times you'll come out here and you'll see young folks with ID badges smoking. And they are the workers from Teleperformance, and that's their smoke break area. There goes an employee right now. Call Expedia, that's who you're talking to. They also have a pool. I did not partake of the pool, probably because I've been running around doing stuff. But they have a little kiddie pool right there if you're a kiddie, and they get an adult pool over there if you're an adult. And it's actually quite nice. Well maintained. Everything is well maintained here. The landscaping is really nice. As you can see, it's windy again. They got some chairs if you want to fry yourself out in the sun. And as you can see, there's quite a number of Chinese tourists staying here. Hopefully there's no. We'll try to work through that. Also, the last couple nights there have been some older Chinese gentlemen getting rip-roaring drunk and coming in later with scantily clad girlfriends, and that's been interesting. But the scantily clad girlfriends are very polite, they're very nice. They have to get their IDs checked and everything, and they have to check in, I guess, to protect their boyfriends. We're gonna do a tour of the room in a minute. There's a few downsides. Again, the Wi-Fi speed at Luxor leaves much to be desired. It's about 1 megabit download, 0.5 upload when you can get it. They advertised that it was no problem. The other downside is if you want to go outside here and just relax, you're gonna see a lot of, you know, young workers out here smoking cigarettes. And boy, I've never seen so many Filipinos smoke in my life. Young Filipinos, female. I've never seen Filipinos smoke like this, but I guess they're working high-stress jobs, working the call centers, and they're also, I've noticed they're a little heavy. And I'm not here to judge, but I think all they have to do to let off steam, you know, working in that high-pressure call center job, is smoke and eat. They seem to be doing quite a bit of that. So those are the downsides. The staff here is very friendly, they're very nice. This has turned into a really rambling video. I just woke up from a nap. Hey, and there's a white guy. So next we're gonna go up and check out the room. I'll see you up there. I wonder if that's 4G internet, that's the problem. Help us conserve energy. Please switch off the aircon when you leave the room. Okay. So even though we're having some technical difficulties, this is what the room in Luxor looks like. We haven't unpacked yet because we're having some problems with the Wi-Fi. The rooms come with a his and her bed for newlyweds who are still nervous with each other. There's a single bed here and a double bed here. I'm taking this bed because it's right in front of the TV. We got a flat screen TV here with an HDMI port if you need to plug in. Also have a desk right here, some storage options, and it looks like a big, I haven't opened this yet. Probably because, yeah. We got a wall safe here and storage area, which is nice. You can never have too much storage area. The other problem is we were told we were getting a garden view, and we actually have a, I guess you call it a parking lot view. But that's the way to Lord Byron's, and we're going there later. There's a Lord Byron's in Dumaguete. The original is here in Bacolod, and it's just over there. So we'll be going there later. So we're supposed to get a garden view, and we got a parking lot view. So I'll be talking to them about that. We're also having Wi-Fi issues. We're only getting 1.5 download and 0.3 upload. So that's a problem.
For hairs.
Yeah, really? Really? You going there? You got a hair dryer if you got hair. And look at me, I'm looking a little ragged right now. I'm looking a little peaked. I've been driving all day. There's a smoking area outside. You got sky cable or something for TV. There's no refrigerator?
It's inside the...
Oh, it's in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We got a Fujidendo refrigerator. Don't be fooled. It's made in the Philippines.
Sodas.
Made in China. And we got stuff that's overpriced. We won't be touching that. Oh, I like that. It's well hidden. It's well hidden. Let's check out the bathroom because that's freaking exciting.
I like the bathroom.
You like the bathroom? Okay. I'm looking good. Okay, so here's the bathroom. You got a Western toilet. It's very nice. And you got a butt sprayer. I forgot what that's called. The butt something. Bum gun. You have a mirror so you can look at yourself. Some complimentary glasses, bath soap, toothbrushes, and this is pretty cool, a bathtub. I haven't taken a bath in a while. I might avail myself of that. And you got the shower thing for taking showers. I'll probably just take showers. I need a shower now, man. I'm feeling ragged. And overall, the room is very nice. They recently renovated this entire place, I think, and they did a fantastic job aesthetically. But we just got to get the Wi-Fi worked out. You also get some complimentary teas and Nescafe. You got to have the Nescafe. You got a hot pot, some waters, all in a little sitting area in case you want to sit. I don't know what's under there. We're not going to look under there. So that's basically it. Right now, we're not going to unpack. We still got all our stuff packed because if they can't get us good Wi-Fi, I have to work. I got work I got to do tonight. So we got to have good Wi-Fi. And they assured us that there'd be good Wi-Fi. And, again, the aforementioned garden view has turned into parking lot view. First world problems, people. First world problems. So this is the Luxor place in Bacolod. I forgot how much it was. I'll leave it down in the comment, not the comment section, I'll leave it in the subtitle. Smoke detectors, fire thing.
So this is my bed.
No, okay, yeah, no. This is
my bed.
This is my TV watching area. That's my bed at night. That's your bed.
No.
Small bed, big bed. Ned needs a big bed. And there's a phone for calling the front desk and saying, hey, our Wi-Fi is not working and we have a parking lot view instead of a garden view. We'll be back.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.